Okay, let's take a look at embedded CSS. In your student files in your Google Drive, open HP 3-2, and that's the Trillium Media Design page. Looks something like this. And we are going to create some embedded CSS styles to format this document a little differently. So embedded CSS goes within the head section. So find your head section, and you can really put it anywhere in there as long as you don't put it like in between title. So I'm just right after my meta char set, I'm going to open a style tag. And remember, in code, it automatically closes that for me. So as long as I have this opening style tag and this closing style tag before my closing head tag, then I can include all of my CSS rules inside this style tag. Okay, so CSS style rules, remember we have a selector. So in this case, we're going to select the body. And then we have a property. So I'm going to do background color. And we're going to do E6E6FA. And then a color, which is text color, will be 191970. Okay, semicolon. So we can type these on one line. Remember, hypothetically, we could type all of our HTML on one line, but sometimes to help your page look a little more organized, sometimes you'll want to press enter after each statement, after each declaration statement, or after every 3 or so on and so forth. Just any way to organize your page well. In this class, you really don't want to type them all in one line. It makes it difficult to debug. So if we had several rules here that would go off the screen, you would want to press enter. Okay, let's refresh our page and see what that looks like. And we have a nice lavender background with some dark blue text. Okay, so if we wanted to add some more rules to this, say we wanted our H1 to appear different. We have our selector H1, which is going to target all of the H1s that exist in this page. And for this one, we are going to flip them. We're going to do background color 191970. And our text color, which is just the word color, as E6E6FA. Okay. Don't forget your semicolons. Let's refresh that and see what that looks like. So every instance of an H1 will now have this coloring. Let's try a third. Let's change the H2 styles. So H2, set of semicolon, or set of curly brackets, excuse me. We're going to change the background color to AEAED4 and the text color to 191970. Okay, so let's take a look at what that looks like. We have 2 H2s in this document, so that styling was applied to both H2s. Okay, so if your CSS doesn't work, double check your code. You can pause this video. Make sure that you're putting colons and semicolons in the correct location. Make sure you're including those curly brackets.